High-intensity cardio is a great way to boost calorie burn to lose fat, but it is not always practical. Oftentimes it comes down to time. If you are incredibly busy, you may not be able to drive down to a gym to do a full-blown workout. Here are some 5-minute efficient workout that can easily do at your home. Let us start to know all these workouts.
Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by clicking this red color button. After that, click the bell icon to get all video updates by notification. It's totally free now.
1. Full plank. Done from hands like the top of a push-up position. Do this workout for 60 seconds. 2. Elbow plank. Same position except you are resting on your elbows. Do this workout for next 30 seconds. 3. Raised leg plank. Stay in elbow plank and raise one leg for 30 seconds, then follow with the other. 4. Left side plank. Rest on left arm and elbow like shown in this picture. Continue this for next 30 seconds. 5. Right side plank. Rest on right arm and elbow as shown in this picture. Continue this for next 30 seconds. 6. Full plank again but for only 30 seconds. 7. Elbow plank again for 60 seconds. It is not crazy intense and would not break the muscle down, so you can do daily. These daily core contractions will build firm flat abs over a period of time. This also could serve as a warm-up to use before a normal workout. Try this workout and comment your results. Like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.